Alright, so part 2 here on my 1950 Chevrolet cab over engine truck. I did get the head just popped off here, so let's take a look at what those cylinders look like. Climb up in here. So there's definitely some crud there. I'm not too surprised about seeing that. It doesn't look too terrible bad. I mean, it's not great, but we'll clean it up. I need to vacuum that out. I do have the head sit here. Need to haul that up to the bench and take a look at what the underside looks like. But got the head off. That's a good step. So we can clean her up and take a closer look. Okay, so here's the head up here on the bench, and a quick little test to show which valves are really sticking hard and which ones are good. Listen to when I hit it with this little dead blow hammer. It's just a real light one, soft face. It's not going to hurt it. Here's a good valve. You can hear the valve opening and closing. Over here is one that's stuck, and it's just dead. Same thing there and there. That's good. That one's stuck. That one's good. Stuck. Good. 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 That one's solid. And that one's open. So, got some work to do. I'm going to flip this head over and show you the back side. Alright, so here's the underside. And we can see a few of those valves right here stuck open. Same with that one. And that one. And I took a really close look at the head here, and I could see on this cylinder, I could kind of see the imprint of where it looked like maybe the head gasket had gotten a leak and allowed coolant into that cylinder. So that explains why that cylinder looks less than great. So anyway, we're going to try to get this head apart. So the head was pretty pitted on some of the valve guides when I got it all taken apart. So that's going to go to the machine shop and get some work done. I wanted to clean up here on the cylinder block though and see what kind of situation we've got here. I vacuumed all the crap out and scraped it with a scraper here, and it actually cleaned up really well. There's actually no ridges on the cylinders. They're actually really pretty good for compared to what that head looked like. So a little bit more cleanup is going to need it. I'm going to oil these things and let them sit for a while. But I'm gonna put this together like this after I do a little bit more cleanup. So we'll get the head off to the machine shop, and we'll update you guys later once we get the head back.